get a bunch of likes and subscribes and get monetized and make some extra money. I'm fine just the way I am. I don't need Google or YouTube to pay me more. I'm in my studio and I was invited to be the featured artist. This is my photography studio and printing studio and everything studio and gallery. And so we went over there and delivered 30 images. And they put them up in the gallery and they had a reception last weekend. You know, and I was really afraid to even do that because I've been taking pictures mostly for me. And I find it meditative to get up in the morning and go out and, you know, do a sunrise, take a picture of a sunrise. Turns out, I later found, because I'm interested in my own health because of my age, but I wish I would have been more knowledgeable when I was young. But that was pleasant to find out that there's a lot of reasons, and what the goal is to get up at 5 a.m. or before sunrise, way before sunrise, drive sometimes a good distance to look for that shot, that sunrise. Well, it turns out these doctors are now saying that one of the most healthy things you can do is get up in the morning, go out to a sunrise and welcome the new day. Don't look at the sun, of course, right into the sun, but go out and greet a sunrise. It's healthy physically to your body. And to me, it's spiritually healthy. It's meditative. It's looking at what God created. It's all of the above. It's worship for me to take my camera and capture some of those scenes in those images. And what I'm getting to, what's my point? My point is that going back to what's my goal, because pride gets in the way a lot. Is that my goal, to get accolades and people that love your work and buy your work and all of that? And I thought, you know, I'm okay the way it is. So what is my goal? In Scripture it says, whatever you do, whatever it is, washing dishes, mowing the yard, building a house, cleaning the windows, taking photographs of sunrises, whatever it is, do it to honor God. And so that's what I say. Well, that's what it's all about, honoring God. So last weekend I missed opportunities. People said, these are wonderful. These photographs you take are wonderful. I just love the color and all of it, the emotion. And I sucked it up, of course. Oh, yeah, okay, great. But I never took the opportunity to say, you know, my job's easy. All I have to do is look at the scene, frame it a little bit, push the shutter button, make a few adjustments. But that's the easy part. God does all the hard work. He's the one that produced the image before I saw it, my camera saw it, or the photo was reproduced, printed, and put in a gallery. So it was my opportunity when someone says, I just love this picture. You take such a wonderful picture. I should have took that opportunity right then and there and said, don't thank me, thank God. He's the one that painted that scene, created that scene. So I've produced, I don't know, a couple hundred videos, totally lost of, you know, what's my goal in making videos. And I believe it's taken that long for me to kind of piece it all together. Scripture also says that old age is a blessing, not to waste it. You've learned a lot. Share that knowledge. share that wisdom. God gave you the wisdom, the knowledge, the skills to do all of it. So from this point on YouTube, when I do photography, or when I take people out to teach them photography or take them on a photo safari, I'm going to base everything on that goal to whatever I do it to honor God, because He's the source of it all. So, yeah, I'm not going to say it. You know, if you like this stuff, like and subscribe. Please don't even do it. Just if what I say might help you, use it. That's it. I do a lot of things, not just photography, but construction, roofing, chimney installations, mowing, gardening, cutting wood, tool selections, cooking, preserving, gardening, you know, a lot of things. And so it's all just a hodgepodge of stuff, but it's about the things I do. And I would like to honor God with the fact that He gave me those skills, whether it's plumbing, electrical, building, working on our RV, getting a generator to work properly, fixing an old boat lift, all of it to honor God. So I just wanted to make this video because I haven't made one in a while, because I was just kind of going, well, nobody likes to watch this stuff, you know. There's 700, 800 people subscribe, but my problem is I'm not authentic enough. So it doesn't get much more authentic than this, you know. I'm flawed. I'm a sinner. But God has given me some of these gifts, and I'd like to share them. The skills, the gifts, how I do it, and what I think about what it is to be Christian, to love Jesus, to love God with all your heart and soul. That's all He asks. So, today was about goals. So just think about that as you're going through something. Well, what's my goal? So ask yourself, what's the goal? So until next time, ask yourself, why? Why am I doing this? And what's my goal? That's the advice for the day. Thanks a lot for watching.